Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help entrepreneurs as you build and grow successful businesses. Today's video is all about starting a successful e-commerce business in 2023. As we all know, the pandemic has accelerated the shift to online shopping, and e-commerce is now more important than ever. So, if you're ready to start your own online store, let's dive in. Before we get started, let's take a look at some successful e-commerce businesses out there to give you an idea of what's possible. From Shopify stores to Amazon sellers, there are plenty of options to choose from. But how do you stand out and make your mark? The first step to starting a successful e-commerce business is to choose your niche. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your online store. Setting up an online store can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce that make it easy to get started. Make sure to choose a platform that fits your needs and budget. Once your store is set up, it's time to start marketing your products. This is where social media comes in. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can help you reach a wider audience and generate sales. Social media marketing can be a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses. Make sure to create engaging content, use relevant hashtags, and collaborate with influencers to get your products in front of the right audience. Lastly, it's important to provide excellent customer service. This includes responding to customer inquiries promptly, offering a hassle-free return policy, and providing accurate product descriptions. Customer service is crucial for e-commerce businesses. It can make or break your reputation. Make sure to prioritize your customers' needs and provide a great shopping experience. And that's it. Those are our tips for starting a successful e-commerce business in 2023. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.